Hello, everybody. Today we're going to be covering the reporting page. So to go to reporting, you want to go to the left-hand side, scroll to the bottom, and you're going to see reporting. And when you click on reporting page, you're going to see the overview. So if you're new LionDesk users, if you're still in your trial account, if you click on the reporting page, you're going to see sample data. But don't worry, once you start using the system, it's going to auto-populate with your own data. So a couple of things that the system keeps track of. You're going to see automated lead sources. So if you connect with any outside systems like Facebook, Zillow, Trulia.com, we're going to let you know how many leads are coming in from which system throughout the year. Scrolling below, you're going to see expected sales by month and also deal pipeline stage. So these two graphs are tied to your deals page. So anything that you upload in deals will be reflected here in our graph as well as the pie chart. So the graph above is going to show you the expected sales by the month. So you'll be able to see the sales throughout the year. And the deal pipeline stage will show you all the deals you've had and at which stage they're in at the moment. Other things we'll keep track of are all contact sources. So as long as you label these sources for every contact, we'll let you know how many contacts are coming in from which location. So you'll see Facebook, homes, my website. So we'll let you know how many contacts are coming in from each system. Below that, you're going to see the activity log. So the activity log is going to keep track of how you use the system. So it'll let you know how many emails you're sending out, how many text messages, how many phone calls you're making. So you can also modify all of these graphs. If you wanted to modify, you can remove certain information and also add. So using the activity log as an example, I see in the key bounced emails. I do not want that part of my data, so I'm going to go ahead and remove it. Simply click on the name, and it's going to remove it from the graph. Let's go ahead and do another one that might be a little bit easier, email sent. So by clicking on email sent, you'll see it removed from the graph. Contact comments, you'll see it removed from the graph. So again, you can modify this to see the data that you want to see. Scrolling back up, you're going to see email reporting as the second tab. And so with email reporting, it's going to show you the stats of all the emails that you sent out the past 7 days, 30 days, and total sends. The middle section is going to be specific to those 30 days. It's going to show you how many emails you sent out. Of those emails, how many had bounced. It's going to show you the emails, how many were opened. And if you had a link within the email, it's going to let you know how often that link was clicked on. Another important thing to point out is your reputation. So the reputation is going to let you know of all the emails that are sent out, what's the average of the ones that are delivered versus the ones that are bounced or reported as spam. So for your reputation, you want to make sure you keep it between 90 to 100. Scrolling down, you're going to see a search section. So this is going to allow you to search all the emails that you send out. You can see that we can filter out your emails based off of date, drip campaign, or by their status. So for this example, I want to do all my emails. Click on search. And you'll see the list appear below. So you'll see the contact. You'll see which email you sent out, whether it was delivered or bounced, and also when you sent out that email. You're going to see a couple stats, opens and clicks. So this is going to let you know how often that email was opened, and if you had a link within the email, how often the link was clicked on. So that wraps up email reporting. Thank you for joining us today.